A busy day in town. Listen, answer fast, and keep the conversation moving. Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, get on here.
How much is a single ticket?
£2, card is fine.
Leo wants to check the stop. Could you tell me when to get off?
Sure, I'll let you know.
I'll let you know means I will tell you later. Hi, can I get a sandwich and water?
Of course, eat in or take away.
Take away, please.
Anything else?
Leo does not want more. No, that's all, thanks.
No worries.
Hi, I need a SIM card.
Sure, calls or data.
Mostly data.
This one has 10 gigabytes.
Leo wants it for 1 week. Is it good for 1 week?
Yes, 7 days.
Excuse me, is the museum near here?
Yes, go straight, then turn right.
Is it far?
No, about 5 minutes.
Leo wants to be sure. Great, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Are you paying by card?
Yes, by card.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thanks.
How can I help?
I have a sore throat.
Any allergies?
No, I don't think so.
Take this after food.
Leo wants to check how often. How many times a day?
Twice a day.
I'd like to send this parcel.
Where is it going?
To my hotel.
Standard or express?
Leo is not in a hurry. Standard is fine.
Table for one.
Yes, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still, please.
Are you ready to order?
Leo wants one simple meal. I'll have the pasta, please.
Great, I'll be right back.
Fast English for real situations. Practice the line before you need it.